Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we're going to talk about electromagnetic waves, frequencies, vibrations, things that are impacting the way you think, the way you feel, the way you process information. Now, this is not in depth. We just touching the surface. I'm just talking about the things that are happening around you that you're not aware of, that you can't see, and why what you don't know and what you can't see can hurt you. And that's why living in certain environments are toxic to your health, because there are lots of frequencies and electromagnetic waves that are and radiation waves that are passing through all the time. You just can't see them. You know, like microwaves. You can't see microwaves. You can't see gamma rays. So you got to be conscious of those things, you know, and you have to, create a force field around you to help you deal with a lot of the frequencies and lights and waves that you can't see. Hold on, guys. So yes, guys. So yeah, these electromagnetic waves and these other waves and frequencies can impact your your mental health. So the only thing that you can do to protect yourself is try to stay out of environments with a lot of frequencies, like in large cities, skyscrapers, and buildings where everybody can have microwaves. Everybody have Wi-Fi. These Wi-Fis are always on. You have to remember that your brain is a transmitter. And even when you're sleeping, your brain is transmitting information with your cell phone, your TV. That's why you should never sleep with a TV in your room. You should never sleep with your cell phone right by your bedside. You should never sleep with different kind of electronics in your room, especially if they're on, because your brain is still processing information, and it disrupts your sleep. So that's the easiest way to avoid damage caused by these invisible electromagnetic waves, like radio waves, microwaves, those kind of things. So let's take a look at the waves, guys. Hold on. Okay, so here we go, guys. The light we can see, made up of the individual colors of the rainbow, represents a very small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. Our other types of light include radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays, all of which are imperceptible to the human eyes. Imperceptible to the human eyes. See, guys, that's what I'm saying. So you have to be careful about where you decide to live, because some areas have more radiation and more high frequency. You gotta be careful about what kind of jobs you take, because your job is exposing you to a lot of radiation. Then it's going to impact you. It says, however, there are many other forms of radiation that we cannot see with our eyes. These include gamma rays, X-ray. Okay, I've already read that. All right, let's see what else we got, guys. So anyway, guys, so basically what I'm just trying to say, all I'm saying is you have to protect your frequency. Protect your environment. Protect your space from invading frequencies, sounds, lights, all the noise that interrupt your meditation, your thought frequencies, all those things that interrupt your ability to seek peace. And like I said, you have to be conscious of that and to realize that these frequencies are out there, and these frequencies are able to hijack your communication with the earth, and it's able to hijack and disrupt your downloads from the universe. That's how we was able to build so much. A lot of you are inventors and creators. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I was just letting the train go by. Anyway, so this it disrupt your thought. So let's take a look at the way electromagnetic fields disrupt your thought. EMF, electromagnetic fields from sources like industrial machines and wireless devices can disrupt the brain's normal activity and damage it. These waves can also stimulate the nervous system and retina. Some researchers believe that EMF waves can change how people perceive their environment, affect their balance and coordination, and alter brain function and sleep. See, guys, I told you, your brain is constantly being bombarded with these waves and frequencies, causing you to have delusional episodes, dysfunctional perspectives. So let's continue to read. Static magnetic fields can also impact the brain, causing effects like reduced excitability of the motor cortex, changes to the intracortical inhibitor system, increased alpha oscillations, and local force. These effects may be caused by pressure and force on neural tissues, membrane deformation, surface tension changes, or voltage channels getting mechanism kinetics. The smallest magnetic field that can reliably trigger a response in humans is around 10,000 to 20,000 microtesla, which is much stronger than any magnetic field found in everyday life. Okay, guys, so this getting a little deep. So anyway, you see what I'm saying? That it can affect the brain and how the brain functions and perceives and thinks. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's all I have for that one, guys. For that video. So yes, guys. So if you're trying to meditate, concentrate, if you're trying to clear your chakras, try to do it in an area or a place that's clear of as much devices as possible. Not in an industrial park, not in the middle of the city where you have all these frequencies flowing. Try to go out to a rural area in the country somewhere, sit in your car and meditate. Where there's not a lot of cell phone towers, not a lot of 5G networks, and all that stuff disrupts the way you think, guys. Look it up. How 5G networks disrupt the way you think. Mobile devices disrupt the way you think. And in the past, the reason they expedited wireless earbuds is because in the past people were putting these cell phones to their head, and these cell phones was causing brain cancer. That is a proven fact. So that's why they start introducing earbuds. Now earbuds still have radiation in it. So if you're talking with your earbuds all day, every day, it's still impacting your brain. And there's still a little, it's still radiation going on also. So over the next 20 years, they don't know how wearing earbuds all the time and talking with them, how it's going to impact your brain. You might get ear cancer. You don't know. You know, you might get brain cancer. You don't know. So guys, you have to respect the universe, and you got to respect your body, and realize like we are organic, and we are impacted by the extreme forces that mostly are man-made extreme forces for the sake of convenience, like microwaves. Okay, guys, until next time, guys, keep your body clean, keep your mind clean, keep your car clean, keep your home clean, keep your diet clean, guys. Drink plenty of spring water, guys. Drink plenty of spring water to clean out the toxins, the poisons, and the chemicals that's in the food supply, guys. Guys, you are being poisoned. You are being poisoned by the food supply and by the drinks that you're drinking, the sodas and all that stuff that you're drinking. You are being poisoned. So minimize all of that, or try to eliminate all of those toxins out of your diet. Because the glyphosate and the atrazine is real. It's a real chemical. So not only do you have to deal with different microwaves and radiation and different frequencies affecting your brain and how you think, you also have to deal with how they influence you to eat bad. How social media is draining your soul and influence you to eat, think, and behave badly. So guys, until next time, guys, Contraband 777 signing off. Now go and conquer yourself. Peace.